guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to make money on TikTok monetization tutorial. So let's start. It's important to know that monetization it's not available in all the regions or countries, so you have to check first if your country is available for monetization. Then also we can do it. Let's go to our profile, and here just go to the three lines, and then let's go to TikTok Studio. Here we will check if our monetization is available. Here you can work with artists, or you can get subscription on all gifts or gaming plans. So you have to see everything. If there is something that you want to monetize, just click on it and try to do it on your account. You can start winning or earning money on your account, so you have to check first that. And well guys, after that you can start working and continue with subscriptions or gifts. With that you can start with the money on TikTok very easy. I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.